I memorized 100 pages in just one night. Sounds crazy, right? But I actually did it, and today I'll show you how to do the same. We've all been there, last-minute cramming, information overload, and zero retention. But what if I told you there's a way to learn faster, smarter, and more efficiently? Your brain remembers better when you break info into chunks. Instead of reading aimlessly, divide the 100 pages into 5 to 7 sections and study each part separately. If you can see it, you can remember it. Convert words into mental images. This makes recall effortless. I used AI to summarize key points, create flashcards, and generate quizzes, making studying 10 times faster. Simply reading isn't enough. You have to test yourself constantly and repeat key concepts at specific intervals. By using these techniques, I memorized 100 pages in just one night, and you can too. Try them out and let me know in the comments how they worked for you. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more genius study hacks. Want more mind-blowing hacks? Subscribe now and turn on notifications.